Hey guys, this is Drew Taylor with Team Taylor Carroll Williams, coming to you from our newest listing right outside Liberty Park here at 3775 Cotswold Drive North in the beautiful Cotswold neighborhood. Great private lot, situated, backs up to a nature reserve in the back. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, main level garage. Home was built in 2016. Got a full daylight basement, as you're going to see in the video. Just a great overall house for the money. We're offering this home for sale for $575,000, which is a great value considering the square footage and the space that you get in this great home. So come check us out online, mindybirminghamhome.com. Contact your Team Taylor agent to schedule your showing today.